Hello and welcome back to another video, another update on Bitcoin. We are currently at $26,485. As I'm recording this video, um, we had some volatilities after a while in the last few days. Uh, Maybe it was due to the news and uh, regarding Binance and Coinbase, whatever it was, at least we are seeing some movements. It is not that boring anymore. Let us see where we are right now. If you've followed my previous videos, you know that I have two scenarios for Bitcoin. Let us first discuss the both of them are bullish, but one of them is uh, bearish in the lower time frame. But anyways, it is bullish. Okay, so let us see where we are right now. The first scenario says that we have started a wave 1, 2, 3, and we are currently at the wave 4, and we have another impulse move to the upside for the wave 5, which I will get to the targets in a moment. So the idea was that we started from November, an impulse move, uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the wave 1, an ABC correction for the wave 2, another 5 impulse moves, which created the wave 3, and then we headed down for the wave 4. Okay, so let us see where we were. How did we get here? So the retracement for the wave 2 is somewhere between, uh, let me show you, somewhere between 50% and 78.6% Fibonacci retracement rate, which we hit at 50%, a week down, but that's okay. Perfect, we went up, and we started the third wave. The target for the third wave was to the end of the wave 2, somewhere, depending on how strong is the momentum and the impulse wave. Um, so it is somewhere between 1-to-1 ratio at 29,200. But if it is more strong, 1.618 extension rate, okay, which we didn't hit, but we hit 1-to-1, which is fine. Remember, the third wave cannot be the shortest, but it doesn't need to be the longest. But also we went a bit higher than 1-to-1 ratio, which is perfectly fine. And then we went down for the wave 4, and the target for the wave 4 was, uh, in general, wave 4 doesn't retrace that much as the wave 2. It mostly retraces somewhere between 38.2% or 50%. In extreme cases, maybe 61.8%, but not 78.6%, somewhere here, which we hit perfectly. So again, to um, remember where we were and what we talked so far, the idea was that as long as we don't go beyond and to the territory of the wave 1, we wicked a bit, but that's okay. If we go lower and we stay there for a while, this scenario would be invalidated. Okay, and so far I think um, my primary expectation is the second scenario, which I'm going to discuss it with you guys in a moment. But as long as we don't go lower than 25,300, please check your chart and your exchange. This is the Binance, but it's like a couple of dollars more or less. But somewhere between 25,300 is the high of the wave one. So we are not, if we lose that and we go lower, my view would go towards the bearish lower time frame scenario, which is still bullish, but not as much as this one, which I expected to rally in an impulse move to the upside to 35K, which I will show you the target for that. It doesn't matter for now, but okay, let me show you very quickly. The target for the wave 5 is 61.8% at 35,000K, which is the 61.8% of the wave 1 and 2 together to the low of the wave 4. Okay, so again, as long as we don't go below 25,300, this can be done that we can start another 5 sub-wave moves to the upside to finish the wave 5, and then we will go down for a huge retracement, because please remember that this 5 wave would be the wave 1, and we need to go down for a wave 2 again, but it's good. Okay, so this is the first scenario, but I prefer the second scenario, which I'm going to show you now in more details. This is the 1 hour chart. So the idea of this one was that we are in a very respected channel, descending channel, by the way. We have started the correction with an A, B, C, finishing the wave W here, and then another W, X, Y, finishing the wave X, and now we are heading down for the wave Y. Okay, so where we are right now, in my opinion, we topped for the wave Y on May 29th, and we headed down with an A, B, C for the wave W of the wave, bigger wave Y. Okay, then we headed up for the wave X, and now I'm expecting a whatever it is, if it is a 3-wave structure or a 5-wave move to the wave Y. Okay, so let me show you the targets for that. The target, let me zoom out a bit, sorry. Okay, so the target for the wave Y is the wave W to the wave X, and one good target for the wave Y is 1-to-1 ratio. Sorry, let me move it here so that you can see 1-to-1 ratio, which if comes and goes to this channel, touches this channel, which would be very good and perfect uh, to regarding the descending channel. Okay, so the idea would be 1-to-1 ratio, which is currently at $23,184, which is also going to be in the golden ratio of the bigger wave, uh, which is going to be like the retracement wave 2, which is perfect. So my idea would be that we are going down um, for the wave Y, okay? Remember, we have completed the wave W, we have completed the wave X, and now we are on another W, X, Y, which is going to complete the main Y wave, okay? So, with that being said, I'm not going to bother you with the targets, each targets for these ABCs and WXYs. I just showed you the final target for the wave Y, which is somewhere between, okay, let me show it to you better, somewhere between 1-to-1 ratio and 78.6% ratio, which is currently somewhere between 23K and 24.5K. So to be on a surface, to be on a better understand, for you to understand it better, um, and to be on a safer side, 24.5K would be my main target. If we go a bit lower, that's okay. But I expect that we are going to touch 24,500 anyway. Okay. Okay, with that being said, that's the update on Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Oh, and please remember that this is just my personal view and my analysis. This is not by any means financial advices. Please do your own research and be careful because the at the moment the market is very volatile, so please always use stop loss and do your own analysis. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.